Hello, brothers and sisters. I am Pastor Mike Fitzgerald here in Central Virginia, the United States. Thank you for giving me a couple of minutes of your time today as I play an old Shaker hymn called Simple Gifts. I also want to invite you to my YouTube channel called Living Water from the Well. I am teaching through the Gospel of John, and we can learn together the love of Christ. Come to the channel, subscribe to it, and meet me week by week as we learn about His love.